Experiencing screen freezes, lag, app crashes, or soft reboots in your Tesla Model 3 can be frustrating. These issues are often related to software glitches in Tesla's user interface. While Tesla frequently addresses these through over-the-air updates, hardware aging, especially in pre-22 models, can also contribute. This video will guide you through troubleshooting steps and solutions. To determine if your Tesla Model 3 screen freezing is software or hardware related, look for specific patterns. Software issues typically show as lag when running apps like Spotify or Tesla Theater, unexpected app crashes due to compatibility problems, or soft reboots that occur when the system detects errors. Hardware problems, on the other hand, might involve a touchscreen that has become less responsive over time, or thermal throttling that happens during very hot or cold weather conditions, reducing performance to prevent overheating. Recent reports from Tesla owners indicate that most freezing issues are software-related, particularly in older Model 3 vehicles from pre-2022. This is often due to outdated firmware or bugs in the infotainment system that can be resolved through updates. For immediate actions to address screen freezing, start with a soft reset. Hold down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel for about 10 seconds. This simple step often resolves temporary glitches without affecting your data. Next, ensure your Tesla has the latest firmware. Enable the auto update feature in your vehicle settings to receive over-the-air updates automatically. Tesla's full self-driving supervised version 13.2.1, released in December 2025, significantly improved user interface responsiveness and reduced freeze incidents. When a soft reset doesn't resolve the screen freezing issues, consider a factory reset as a last resort. This will erase all personal settings and data, so proceed with caution. First, access the service menu by tapping the Tesla T logo on the touchscreen 10 times. This unlocks advanced diagnostic options. Once in the service menu, navigate to the factory reset option. This will erase all personal settings, app data, and customizations, returning the vehicle to its original state. After the reset, the vehicle will behave as if it were brand new, resolving persistent software issues. You'll need to sign in again and reconfigure all profiles and settings. Software issues in Tesla Model 3 screens often stem from app cache buildup. Clear the cache for problematic apps to improve performance. This is similar to clearing cache on Android devices, where you navigate to App Settings, select Storage, and clear the cache. If an app crashes frequently, try reinstalling it. While Tesla's system has limited options compared to Android, you can uninstall and reinstall through the Tesla App Store if the app supports it. Running too many concurrent tasks can cause lag. Be especially careful with full self-driving while streaming video, as this puts heavy load on the system. Limit gaming time using Tesla Arcade. Prolonged gaming sessions can lead to overheating and system crashes, as shown in the Tesla Arcade interface. Apps added via third parties or Bluetooth devices can cause compatibility problems. Always verify that any additional software or hardware integrations are Tesla compatible. Hardware-related screen freezes, especially in extreme weather, can often be stabilized by preheating or pre-cooling the cabin using the Tesla mobile app. This helps maintain consistent temperatures for the electronic components. If the issues continue despite app-based temperature management, take the vehicle to a Tesla service center for a professional diagnostic. Technicians can inspect the central gateway module and touchscreen sensors for hardware faults. Additionally, check the connections of the display cables. Loose connections can cause freezing, so reseat them securely or replace damaged cables as necessary. Be aware of any recalls affecting your Model 3. In late 2025, a recall was issued for 2020-2021 Model 3s with faulty display modules. Tesla's mitigation strategy involves mandatory OTA updates and, where necessary, hardware replacements. If your vehicle is affected, schedule a service appointment promptly. Tesla is continually improving UI stability through AI-optimized software stacks like versions 13 and 14, which incorporate machine learning for predictive maintenance and smoother multitasking. Hybrid cloud processing reduces onboard lag by offloading some computations to Tesla's servers, leading to more responsive infotainment systems. To prevent issues, enable auto update in your Tesla settings and proactively check for software updates regularly. Looking ahead, Tesla aims to eliminate 90% of UI crashes by 2027 through integrated hardware-software solutions and secure updates.